Hey guys, it's Lola. So in this video, what I'm going to review is this one, the BAHA Niacinamide Tan Serum. So tan, which means it has 10% of niacinamide. So what it's supposed to do is it should do something good on your outer cell of your skin. Their website description says it works for all skin types and it does all the good. It also works as whitening and it also does anti-aging. What I am expecting is actually like minimizing the pores and making my skin more moisturized. Well, overall making my skin more clear. As you guys can see, like I haven't been sleeping well recently. I was staying up so late doing all the works. Breakouts, I'm having all the breakouts. I know I need to do something with my diet, but I can help. So this is 70% organic. Okay. And direction, I should be using 1 or 2 drops on the AM and PM, which means morning and the night. So this is the night. So it says I should wash my face and tone my skin before using it. So 2 drops. So unlike the one I used before from this one, the exfoliate one, it doesn't feel any stingy or I don't feel any like irritation. So the texture is quite runny, but it's a bit thicker than water, but it's not like sticky thick, and it's being absorbed pretty well, and it doesn't have any scent. So that's something I like. It also has pure hyaluronic acid. Okay, that's something for hydration. Well, I'll see how it works using this day and night. The next day in the morning. Difference I felt is that the very first day I started using this, just 2 drops wasn't enough to cover my face because it absorbs super fast. But now just 2 drops is quite enough, which kind of seems like the dryness has been improved. What I like about this already is it actually worked on my fine wrinkles. I mean, honestly, I don't have that much wrinkles yet, but it was kind of like those super fine wrinkles were like around my eyes, and it was quite visible like when I do my eye makeup, especially when I was putting eyeshadows on. But today when I was doing the makeup, like it wasn't there, like I couldn't see. Oh my god, is it really working? How do I look? Do I look better? So close up on my eye. So these are the fine lines I get. The lines I had was like super fine, like it actually is not visible like if you just see me, but only I could see like when I looking at myself in the mirror super close. It's much less visible. I've been using this for a bit over than a week, day and night. Maybe just a week is a bit short to see the full effect and the result. But what I feel so far by using this is the tone of my skin got a bit brighter and the texture of my skin has got a lot softer. It's a bit different from being moisturized. Because I only use 2 to 3 drops at a time, I don't think this works as a moisturizer itself, but I guess it cooperates with the moisturizer I use so that locks in, so it keeps the moist longer in my skin. I started using it from last Wednesday night, so it's been about 10 days and I think it's pretty good. And another thing is that some pore on my cheek that's close to my nose is less visible, definitely. And the price wise, it's really budget friendly. It was only $11 from the Amazon. I'm going to put down the link in the description if you're interested. Thanks for watching, subs for love, and I'll see you guys next time.